Hi everyone, you're welcome to stay with us to share this PTAC with a long history, experienced professional PTAC manufacturer assembly, and you can see that it's quite popular for hotel, motel, hospitality, and this design is slim and clear, and you can see that it's easy to make a replacement for the filter and very easy to operate this manual control. And the door cover, it can be optional. You can see that's quite easy for this replacement. 42-inch standard PTAC. We have full range, power supply 2030 voltage and 230 voltage and 265 voltage. We have full range the different BTU from 7,000, 9,000, 12,000, and 15,000 BTU to satisfy a different cooling capacity. And you can see that there is infrared, so that you can easily connect the wired thermostat and the remote controller. And also you can see that this is stamped louver grille. There is still architectural grille optional, so that you can make different choice for different project. Also here you can see that the mainly we call that 26-inch through the wall, or we call that mini PTAC, so that if you have some smaller room, and there is still inverter PTAC for your choice. So if you have any inquiry, you are welcome to contact me. Thank you.